Hey, this is Sebas from Nextmv, and today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to work with Gurobi in the Nextmv platform. So I'm going to get started here in the console where I have a bunch of custom applications, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a new application. We can call it, for example, Gurobi sample. And this application is an empty shell. Although it doesn't have any code, it's a fully serviced application with endpoints for managing and creating new runs, for doing testing and experimentation. So let's just go ahead and push some code to it. Getting started with Gurobi, starting with community apps is just a great place to go. So if you list which community apps are available, which are fully self-contained open source applications, you'll see that we have an example of a knapsack application to work with Gurobi. So let's just clone that locally. All right, and that created a knapsack Gurobi folder here. And in this folder, you have all the files you need to run an application. More importantly, you have this Gurobi license template with your WLS license information. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this template to have a file named gurobi.license, and I'm going to fill it with my personal license information. All right, so I have my license ready here, and from the app manifest, you'll see that it's needed to upload my files. So let me just push my code to my Gurobi sample, is that what it's called? Yeah, application. Cool, so now my code is pushed. You can see in the details of the application that it'll show I just pushed some code, and from there, my application is ready to make a run. So let's just go back to my code to make that run. All right, so to make a run, you can use different interfaces. I'm going to be using the Nextmv Client for this one. So I'm going to do Nextmv app run on Gurobi sample, and my input is just going to be the sample input.json file here. And just for example, you can have an instance called v11 if you have previously configured, and this just showcases how you can run on an instance specifically. All right, so now that I have my run started here, I'm gonna head over to console and check the results. In console here, you can see our run, and the result is the result of the knapsack problem. Status optimal because it's a very small problem. We can check the details is succeeded. And apart from making runs, you can also do all sorts of experiments and testing. So I have a different application here that was done with Pyomo, and an example of what an acceptance test might look like using your Gurobi application is you can create an acceptance test that will compare different metrics. So it will give you a go, no go decision for deploying an app to production. So thanks a lot. This was a really short show of what you can actually achieve with Gurobi and Nextmv. Till the next one.